me propaganda, what, they did many things. So to get me or to know the detail which is happened in LRA government is very difficult. So if you see now where do I come from a very far distance. If you are not serious and if I'm not serious also, I cannot meet you and you cannot meet me. But only that you are serious and you are not happy about what is happening in Southern Sudan. Because we are all brothers, we are all Christians, we are all black, we are all Africa. That is why I'm also talking to you. So I want you to know very well that we the NRA, we want peace and we agree for what you are going to say to us. We agree of it. We don't want to fight, we don't want to change fire with SPLA. We want to talk with Museveni government also. But only that, Museveni did not want to talk with us. If you go to Uganda and you ask our peace talk which passed long ago, you will see that or you will hear that LRA is the first, Joseph Kony is the first man to call Museveni for peace talk. Not Museveni, who called peace talk last time, in 1993 and 94. We are the one who called that thing. So, as now I've met you and you have met me, you should know very well that there will be nothing among us. The sign which shows that we are not going to do anything is now I'm present in your front. And I'm now talking to you. There will be no any change of fire between our people and your people. This is what you should know very well. And me myself, I know very well that the old people, even the journalists, they don't know me. Because to get me is very difficult. First, Museveni also himself is blocking people not to meet me. So that people will believe that propaganda that Kony is a terrorist, Kony is a killer, Kony is a what? But I'm a human being like you, like me, like you, like that brigadier, like that madam. I'm a human being also. And I'm fighting for the right cause. What is happening in our country there is very bad. That is why we are in the bush. You cannot stay in the bush for 20 years for nothing. You cannot do that. So what is happening there is very bad. And my being in Sudan does not mean that I'm a terrorist like Arabs. My being in Sudan does not mean that I'm adopted the whole thing of the whole system of Arab. No, I'm African. I will remain African. I will die African. That is what I want the whole people to know. So, if I read the story of SLA also, in Kenya, you went there in Kenya to what? To get friends or to the people of Kenya. To get relationship between you. You went to Eritrea, you went to Uganda, you went to Ethiopia also. As now we are in Sudan, now we are in Congo. Does not mean that if you went there to kill the people of what? Of Kenya, to kill the people of Eritrea, to kill the people of Ethiopia. No. You went there for something which take you to Ethiopia. So we are here in Sudan or we are here in Congo for the something which is good for our life. That is why we are here. But we are here not to kill the people of Sudan. Only that when we pass, those people will come to fight us. So we have to defend ourselves. We have to defend ourselves. We have to see that our people also is well. But our intention not to fight Sudan government. And we are not ready of it. There's no any gain here to fight the Sudanese government, to kill the people of Sudan. That is one thing which you should know very well. Secondly, me, as a LRA leader, I'm agree of everything because I'm a human being. And I know very well, and some other people also, they know very well that what the government of Uganda is saying is not true because Museveni is fighting me with his old government. So Museveni cannot say that I'm good, I'm what, he will take a way, or he will check for a way which can kill or can make one not to be alive in the world. This is what you should know very well. As now Museveni said that I was accused in X or in ICC, which is not true. I'm not a terrorist. I'm also a rebel. I'm a position, military position, as SPLA, as some other people. I'm opposition. So if Museveni say like that, it means that the whole opposition leader of Africa, they should also be taken to the X, which is not true. This is what you should know very well, which I know also. So we talk with Sudan government. I'm agree. Many people also, they are there in Uganda. They are our witness. We agree. If we talk to Museveni, it will not take 4-3 days. He will come and attack us in a meeting like this. He will come and attack us in the meeting like this, which is very difficult. And last time, when you sent a message to me, I heard from that man. He said that he was ready to talk with me in the Sudan, but not in Uganda. Why? Because Museveni will spoil the whole thing if we talk in Uganda. So with me, I want you to know very well that, Mr. Sariak, that LRA won't talk. LRA, they want peace also, as you want. LRA also, they are fighters who want their war also to be finished, or they want to stop war as you are now, not fighting with Arabs, but in a good way. It's not in a local way as Museveni wants. In a good way. This is what